Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover a permanently banned TikTok account. If you're using TikTok and your TikTok account has been banned and only want to recover your TikTok account, so let's see how can you easily do that. So the first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have checked, you have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for unbanned TikTok. And you can search for unbanned TikTok account. Open the first website, which is account safety from TikTok here. And from here, you just have to select the option of how to contact if your account is banned or post is removed. So select that, and then you just have to scroll down or look for the option of contact us, or you can try to report a problem on TikTok or how to delete your account. But I'm going to select contact us option, and from here, you just have to select the topic, and then you have to select the option of accessibility. Then you have to select the option, and then enter your username, email address, and some additional details. You just have to describe your issues which you have, and then tap on upload option. And once you have uploaded your issue, so it will almost fix, or you will get any confirmation message in almost 24 hours, or in a day or 2 days or in a week, and your account will be unbanned. So in this way you can easily recover your banned TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.